You're just a step away from embracing the pinnacle of living at Nottingham. Welcome to the Nest, a paragon of luxury sure to evoke envy from your peers. For those valuing unparalleled privacy, the Nest offers a selection of stylish studios, each meticulously designed and tastefully furnished with a well-equipped kitchen and private bathroom, elevating your comfort to new heights. But that's not all. Socialize in vibrant communal spaces, excel academically in dedicated study hubs, and unleash your competitive spirit in the games lounge. Afterwards, engage in intellectually stimulating discussions in the coffee corner and enjoy hassle-free living with utility bills included in the rent. When it's time to hit the books, both Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University are just a short stroll away, allowing you to return home for a nap between lectures. On weekends, indulge in a delicious cup of coffee at the Dice Cup or revel in the nightlife at lively bars like the Sir John Borlase Warren and Crafty Crow. Patricia Pollock's Victoria Centre, Riverside Retail Park, and East Point Retail Park are within reach. Art enthusiasts can explore the Nottingham Contemporary, the Fletcher Gate Art Gallery, and Castle Fine Art. Plus, get ready to save time and money like never before with various commute options conveniently located near the stellar accommodation. So, what's holding you back? Head straight to amberstudent.com and secure your ideal stay today at the Nest, the epitome of Nottingham living.